Hello. Come here, baby. Come here.
Hij is very strong.
Oh, come here. Come here. Neng, yan, nasunod ng tingin sa akin. Yun.
He can turn his head all the way around. We found this one. It's bird. An owl.
We found an owl.
It's broken wing.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Maybe we have to call animal control.
Wow, broken wing, oh. Hello.
Owl, but I don't know what kind.
Oh, she wants to go to our house. So beautiful, huh? Sige na. She wants to go to our house.
Yeah.
Dali na madilim.
I will go the animal control later.
Wing.
Yeah, that
So
one, that
beautiful.
one. You too.
And then he grab.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no, 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 no. Oh no.
no.
Oh no, 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 no. You are very beautiful.
Parang kahit yung ano.
Come on, Georgia.
George.
Georgia.
Babae ba? Sa mga bakan pero baka kaya ano yun eh. Ganda ng mukha, no? Tangos ng ilong mo ah. Ay, pag side view. Sarap siya sa ano ng grass. Di ba ang owl pang gabi lang? Wala pa umaga na eh. So pretty. Nasunod ka talaga niya.
Ganda the whole thing here, baby.
Hi! Oh, you're looking at me? Why?
Oh no.
Inabot na daw siya ng umaga.
Oh, no, 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 no. It's morning already. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no.
Don't be scared. Vlogging are vlogging. Vlogging are vlogging. Ikaw ulit, sabi mo. May ayaw ulit oh.
Daddy, sabi mo.
Ayan o, ma-attack na.
Don't attack me.
Ayan.
Daddy ayaw ulit.
Tapos magko-convert sa tao. Din pala. Aswang. Oh Lord. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Umaga na. Oh no.
Inabot na siya ng umaga.
Oh, this is barn owl. And actually, they are typically shy.
No. Daddy.
They are barn owl and typically they are shy, Daddy. They are considered the barn owl and they are very shy. Sleep, my darling Georgia.
Bless me.
We're just waiting for the animal control. Okay, we're waiting for them. So they can take care of you, okay? Yan. Yeah, because they open late. Like 8 o'clock, so you need to wait, okay? Put in, look.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Oh,
Come on.
look at the leg, it's broken.
I see it.
Yeah.
Come on.
that's how to hold, Daddy.
You catch me here.
I got you.
Oh, it's the wing, look.
I know. I see it. I see it.
Oh, I take care of him. He will be okay, huh?
I don't know.
I'm not very optimistic.
No.
No, not like that.
Really?
No, not with the broken leg and a broken wing like that.
Really?
I'm not very optimistic.
My poor thing.
But either we'll get it to someplace safe or we'll make sure it's not in pain anymore.
Yeah, because we read this
Bye-bye.
leg.